Say goodbye to messy setups and wasted time. The Carrixa Car Wash Trolley is here to upgrade your car wash experience, makes every wash faster, smoother and more efficient. Start by attaching pipe connector to the pump. Slide the connector down into the nozzle until you hear a click sound. Next, connect the other end of the pipe to the spray gun. To remove the connector, simply pull it down gently to unlock and detach. Next, for installing the battery, open the rear compartment and place the battery in the designated area. Now connect the battery clips, black clip to the negative terminal, red clips to the positive terminal, and make sure the connections are secure. Now you are ready to fill the tank with water or cleaning solution. Now turn on the power switch, simply press it and you will hear the pump start working. Turn the spray gun nozzle to select between mist and pressure spray.